Here I am in a pool, and it's in Middlegate Village. It's overrun by birds. You can see our pool on 13 Eyewitness News, 92 FM. Well, take a look at this. Yeah, that's our park is closed because all these birds, all these trees that you see the numbers on over here, they're all gonna get cut down because all these white birds. And look at this. All that white stuff, that's all bird poo. All that bird poo. And now I'm gonna get a little bit closer, trying to get pooped on by them birds up there. Got a hawk over there. Look, all them birds. Oh, this is nasty. All this bird crap. This is nasty. I mean, look at that. This is just disgusting. Oh my God. They just need to shoot all these birds down. Like, all over the park. This tree is gonna get cut down. Number 19, number 18, back there, number 17. Oh, bird tried to poop on me right there. Look at this, oh, this is nasty.
They don't have to worry about us killing them, Johnny. They're killing each other. There's too many of them. Too small a space. That is disgusting. This one here is dying.
We got a dying bird right here by the diving board.
Right by the diving board. That's just what I want to see when I bring my kids to the pool.
We don't need to kill them. They're killing them. They're killing each other.
Yeah, they are. There's too many birds and not enough.
This is a public pool. And they can't just kill all these birds and take care of them themselves. Find some way to get them out of here. Instead, they protect the birds. They protect the birds. And now they're going to have to cut down this tree, that tree, that tree. Pretty much every tree back here you see. They're going to have to cut them down.
I didn't even see this one coming in.
Here's another dead bird. This is a real nice habitat. If you want to come here to see some dead birds, here's another one right there. This is pretty much the zoo of the big white dead birds. I mean, this place smells worse than the zoo. I mean, got all this poop and all these birds up here.
Oh,
this
yeah.
is nasty. Hey, just kill all these birds.
Well, we don't need to kill them, but they gotta run them off.
They gotta get rid of them somehow.
I don't care anymore.
But instead, they're protecting them. They're protecting the birds, and all these trees over here are getting killed by all them birds. No one can play on the park because all the birds, it's a safety hazard. I hope ABC 13 is able to get someone to just they just gotta somehow get these birds out of here. It's a huge safety hazard for the environment. And little kids come here, they don't want to see dead birds. They want to have fun in the pool. I'm Johnny Freeman, and that's Middlegate Village Pool. Thanks for watching.